Okay, so this is a video of how to replace faucet valves. And we're going from 1/2 inch copper to 3/8 inch supply tube. And this is Matt. Say hi, Matt.
Hi, Matt.
He asked me to come over and video this for him. The plumbing expert. So he's taking an adjustable wrench and removing the flexible supply line. And this will have just a little rubber fitting in it. It seals it. A little bit of water might drip out of here, but we drain the lines. Matt shut off the line downstairs, then he opened the sink downstairs. Then we open this valve, lets air go through. You hear a little sizzling from there. And later on in the video, we'll give you contact information if you would like Matt to help you with your project.
Or just need someone to talk to.
So we've got both the supply lines, this flexible supply lines removed. Now, yeah. Hang on. Okay. Get the other wrench. Okay. Technical difficult with the video there, but you can see Matt's taking the retaining nut down onto the 1/2 inch copper tubing and releasing that compression fitting.
Okay.
I think you're gonna have to hammer that. It's not threaded anything.
Okay. All right. So let's get this one there.
All right, and we'll do the same thing on the other side. No, opposite.
Away from each other. Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay.
So Matt has decided he's going to, rather than beat these old connectors off, which are kind of corroded, he's going to make a nice smooth cut with a compact pipe cutter that he found downstairs. We'll leave downstairs wear out. So he's winding that around there, tightening it about every 1 or 2 turns around. He's going to get a nice clean cut on the copper tubing. And you can tell how he's going quickly. He's done this before. That's not a lie. Not that I'm opposed to lies, but in all situations, but that's not a lie.
In this instance, it's true.
So he's going to get a nice tapered top on this 1/2 inch tubing to put the new valve on. And the only thing left we're going to have to do is scrape some of that paint off so we get a nice clean fit. Matt's asked me to narrate this since he likes to give his full concentration to his work. Now, some of the newer tubing you'll be using won't be as thick walled and it'll snap off a little sooner. This stuff's been here a while. Alright, and there we go, there's your nice clean tapered cut. So Matt's just scraping the paint off there. so we get a nice clean fit for our compression fitting valve. Just want to get it all down to the bare copper. And Matt has decided to get some sandpaper and finish off the cleaning of the top of that copper pipe. Notice the precision and the skill. Don't expect you're going to be able to do this your first time, but with experience you can do it this well.